Hi there. In this video, I will talk about a practical example where you can use the data visualization. And generally, the practical examples or the practical scenarios are different from what you really learn from theory or from tutorials. So far, I have shown you some of the basic examples about how you can use the Matplotlib library. But in this example, my motive is to give you a little bit flair or taste of how the real world situation looks like, and then how we proceed ahead with the visualization. So first of all, let's import the libraries, which are, let's say, first of all, pandas. Just remove that. Import pandas as pt and numpy. Yeah, probably we'll need numpy to create an array of a range. I'll tell you why. And then import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then to produce the chart we are saying in percentage matplotlib in line. Okay, quite a fast way we have imported pretty much the basic library, but if we need anything else in terms of libraries, we will see it during the example. And I want to show you this example by utilizing the file that I have been used since my Pandas series, where I have shown you this sample superstore sales example, and we are getting the first sheet by indicating 0 as the parameter for this function pd.read_excel, which contains the orders data. So if I go ahead and view the first two rows, here I have orders. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. You have a lot of columns like order ID, order date, priority, order quantity, shipping mode, and all of that thing. Now let's say based on the dimension you have, that really basically trigger the analytics. For example, based on the order priority, whether your sales is really high in a particular type of order priority, or your sales is high or low on a particular type of sales, on a particular type of ship mode, maybe, province, region, who knows, right? That's kind of a job of a data researcher or data scientist to look at really all the angles, do the comparative analysis, and then figure it out and show the observations back to the user or the management who is really interested in knowing what's actually happening, what is impacting our sales. So in this video, what I'll do is, looking at the shipping mode, we will try to segregate the 3 different shipping modes. So if I'm not wrong, you have regular air, delivery truck, and I think there is one more. So if I want to see the shipping modes that are available, then what I can do is I can say orders ship mode dot values dot unique. If I'm not wrong, it should show me the value. Does not have any value as unique, so what I'll do is value underscore count. That will again give me the values. So pretty straightforward. You have regular air, delivery truck, and express air. These are the 3 values, and regular air is definitely having the most values. The count is highest, followed by delivery truck and express air. So that basically gives you, first of all, an initial idea. Okay, in your company, your regular air delivery mode or the shipping mode has been used frequently, and that may spark some question in terms of, let's say, spending, where your spending is happening more, whether in a delivery truck or a regular air or express air. So you can actually trigger those type of questions. So but here we are interested in sales, so let's move ahead and see it. So we will create 3 different series objects to visualize the 3 different data set over each other. So on top of regular air, we will visualize the delivery truck and then the express air. But there are some issues, and let's see those issues. So first thing is, let's create 3 different orders underscore RA, so which indicates regular air, and that is how we can do is within the orders sorry, orders, and again the brackets, ship mode equals to and then regular air, and after this we want what column we want. So from here, if we want profit, we need to specify the dot notation and say profit. If you want sales, we can get sales. So what it is doing is nothing but filtering the data within the orders for regular air, and we want sales. All right. Let's see a couple of orders. Score.head. Okay, so here we are. So as you can see, for 0 index you have value, for 2 index 3, 4, 5, and if you want to shape orders underscore RA dot shape, well, 6270 observations, and as you can see 6270, but it has a hidden issue as I have been talking about. So I will show you in a couple of minutes. First of all, let me just for delivery truck and express air create the value, these subset. I'll just do the copy, Control C over here. Now for delivery truck, what I can do is specify DT, again paste, and what I can do is specify EA. Alright, and I don't have to do a lot of writing, I hate that, so I'll just copy. Ship mode is this, ship mode is express air. So this way now I have 3 different objects, right? So if I go ahead and execute this, there are no issues. And again, I want to show you orders underscore RA. Again, we'll look at the shape 6270 and DT dot shape. So there is 1146 and 1146, so that's good. There is no issue in our filtering. And EA dot shape, and there is 983. So we are good. There is no issue in the filtering that we have done because it is coming as per the value count from the original data sets based on this function that we used. All right. Now let's go ahead and plot the values. So plt dot plot, and we want to plot, let's say the last one we chose is orders underscore EA, and let's say we want to red plus sign, so R plus, press shift enter. Just given me the value, data frame has no object as okay underscore. Alright, so here we have the values, and as you can see, it is going up till here 8,000, and the value is going up till here till 25,000. So this is fine, but why x-axis is coming 8,000? But so if you remember from one of my very initial video related to Matplotlib, is if we are just specifying the one single object or one single series object, it takes its index values over here as the x-axis. So what I meant by that is, if I show you orders underscore EA dot head, and let's say 10 observations. So what it is doing is, this is the value of index, this is the actual values. So this index value is coming over here, and these values are coming over here on the y-axis. Now if I look at the shape of orders.ea, there are just 983 observations. So ideally this should be 983, but not the 8,000. So these kind of issues or misrepresentation you can have whenever you are starting with the data visualization. Those who are experienced probably are aware about it and can fix this problem, but those who are new, they basically come into this trap where they just try to plot. So for example, we have just plot the EA, then Another plot that we can do is with the orders underscore, let's say RA, and we want blue plus sign. So here we are, blue plus sign and red plus sign. Both the values are coming up till 8000. And even if we want, we can plot the third one, which is orders underscore RA underscore and then C plus. This is cyan. So here we have the three values. But now the issue is that you can't see the blue one pretty effectively, the plus red sign and all, because most of these values have been overlapped by the third observation. So what you can do is you can use the alpha property and make it like 0.3, which will make it transparent a lot so you can see these observations. Okay, not that much great, but if you increase the figure size you will get to know, but at least it will give you an idea. Okay, there are some few observations of negative and the blue or red or cyan. So that's basically not what I wanted to explain. That's basically to show you how you can see the overlapping values. But the real issue is how you can get the data into the right shape so that your observations are not going up till 8000 because of the index issue. So how we can remove that? Well, I'm leaving this video here so that you can do some thinking and do an experiment about what you will really do in this situation, and in the next video I will show you the solution.